Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Giatero jump starter. Before you begin, always take a moment to review the device's user manual for specific instructions and warnings. It's crucial to confirm your car's battery voltage, usually 12 volts, is compatible with the jump starter. Always position your jump starter and vehicle on a stable, level surface, away from any potential fire hazards. Safety is always your first priority when working with car batteries. Now let's connect the cables carefully. First, attach the red positive clamp, marked with a plus sign, to your vehicle's positive battery terminal. Then, connect the black negative clamp to a sturdy, unpainted metal part of your engine block, not directly to the battery. Make certain both clamps are completely secure and cannot easily come loose. This precise connection helps prevent sparks and ensures a safe jump start. With the cables connected, it is time to initiate the jump start. Power on your Giatero device and wait for its ready indicator light to show. Once illuminated, enter your vehicle and turn the ignition key to start the engine, but only for about 3 to 5 seconds. If the engine doesn't start immediately, give the jump starter at least 60 seconds to cool down before attempting to start the car again. Do not crank continuously. After your vehicle successfully starts, it is crucial to disconnect the jump starter in the correct order to maintain safety. First, turn off the Giatero jump starter completely. Then, carefully remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Next, and only then, detach the red positive clamp from your vehicle's battery terminal. Always handle the clamps gently to avoid any accidental contact or sparks during this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.